kids. Today we will start chapter number 15 of our English grammar book, Essentials of English Grammar and Composition. And name of the chapter is Conjunctions. Here, as the word is telling about conjunction, which meaning is to join something. Its meaning is to join. So, here in this chapter, we will learn about the words which are used to join two sentences or group of words or two words. So, let us start it. First of all, we read about the definition of conjunction. A conjunction is a word which is used to join words, groups of words or sentences. This definition you will have to remember if you want to learn about conjunction deeply. So, as the meaning is clear to you that a word which is used to join two words or group of words or sentences is known as conjunction. So let us look at the example how the conjunction is used in joining these things. Like look at first sentence, the sun was shining and a hot wind was blowing. Here conjunction and is used to join two sentences. There was a noise around me, but I was not disturbed. Here also it is used to join two sentences. Rice and curry is a popular dish. Here, rice and curry, these two words are joined by and conjunction. So here we have learned about that a conjunction can be used to join words or group of words or to join two sentences. Now, kinds of conjunction. Conjunction are of two kinds, coordinating conjunction and subordinating conjunction. In this video, we will learn about the first one, that is coordinating conjunction. What are the coordinating conjunction? A conjunction which is used to join two independent statements or two statements of equal rank is called coordinating conjunction. Now here coordinating means equal rank, means the statement or the sentences which we are joining, they should have equal importance and they can stand independent. Like look at the example. Here first kind of coordinating conjunction is given, that coordinating conjunction can be used for addition. Like if we are adding two sentences in the sense of addition, so we will use and, both and, as well as, no less than, not only but also. These are the coordinating conjunction of addition. Now look at these two sentences. The weather was fine, the sea was calm. Now two sentences here are of equal rank, means they are having equal importance. Now they are joined by using coordinating conjunction and. Now the quality of this coordinating conjunction is that we can remove the coordinating conjunction and get the two independent statement. The door was open, my things were lying scattered, both are equal rank, both are of equal rank and they are independent statements, so they can be joined by coordinating conjunction. Now the use of another coordinating conjunction of addition, both and, like she is both intelligent and hardworking. So this sentence is made by these two sentences, she is intelligent, she is hardworking. Both are of equal rank. Both statements, independent statement and of equal rank, can be joined by using coordinating conjunction. As well as his father is sincere, means not only he but also his father is sincere. He is sincere, his father is sincere. No less than, he no less than his brother is guilty. We can part this sentence or we can divide this sentence in two statements, like he is guilty and his brother is also guilty. So he no less than his brother is guilty. Not only but also, he was given not only a merit certificate but also handsome scholarship. So in this sentence we have got that he got two things, a merit certificate and a handsome scholarship. He was given a merit certificate. He was given a handsome scholarship. Both the sentences are independent, are of equal rank, so they can be joined by coordinating conjunction. Now, coordinating conjunction can be used for contrast. If we have to show contrast between two statements, so there we will use conjunction like but, still, yet, nevertheless, whereas, while, only. Like, the train was fully packed, but we got comfortable seats. Here, but is used to show a coordinating conjunction of contrast. Still yet, Premchand is quite rich. Still, he is not contented. Now, one positive and one negative statement are joined by coordinating conjunction of contrast. Like, only, I am alright, only I am tired. One positive, I am alright. One negative, I am tired. If we are having contrast of expression between two statements, so we can join them by using coordinating conjunction of contrast. Now, coordinating conjunction of choice. If we are having two alternatives, then such sentences can be joined by coordinating conjunction of choice, like or, either or, neither nor, otherwise else. First one, or. You must apologize or you will be dismissed. Here, you must apologize is one choice and another choice is you will be dismissed. So you are having two alternatives, you have to choose one. If such condition is there, we will use coordinating conjunction of choice. Either or, either attend to your lesson or leave the class. Two condition, two alternatives, so we will choose coordinating conjunction of choice. Neither nor, otherwise as, these conjunction are also used for choice. Now the last coordinating conjunction is coordinating conjunction of reasoning. One statement or fact interfered from another. So there we will use for. She will rise in life for she is sincere and hardworking. So if we are in one statement, we are telling the statement and another one is giving the reason of that, then we will join it by using for, which is a coordinating conjunction. So this is how we have learnt about coordinating conjunction today. Thank you.